Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a quick breakdown on how I did this design, this text effect on this design, and how I came up with this. So without wasting your time, let's go straight into this. Now we're going to get a blank page as usual. Please, these designs are basically for beginners. So if you're a beginner graphic designer, this page is meant for you. Like, subscribe, and share our videos. You're going to love what we do here, hopefully. So I'm going to import the design itself so that we can look at it and copy from it. Yes, this is it. So let's put it somewhere here. Now we're going to get the color for the background, which is this color. Yes, we're going to import the lady. I already removed the background. Yes, you put it somewhere here. Increase it a little bit, not too much. Somewhere here is okay. So feel free to copy my style, but just be creative with it. It's for beginners. You can learn a whole lot of stuff from this page. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share to anyone you think needs this. So that is this. Then let's go to the next thing I did. I imported a shape. Yes, let's lock this. We won't be touching it for now. A shape, which is this shape. So put it here, make it straight to cover here. Good. Click on the check mark. No, before we click on the check mark, we are going to come to the color and change the color to this peach. This cream color, sorry, not peach. So we're going to change it to this. That's the way it is on the design. You can see it. So after changing the color, let me just hide the design so that we don't have to confuse ourselves. The next thing we're going to do is the text. So the text is "Let's get creative." I have it here in my clipboard, so I'll just be copying so that we don't waste our time. Let's get creative. So you can see that the text is right here. I'm going to change the color of the text to green. Please pay attention. I'm going to change the color of the text to green. I'm selecting a color that is different from what is already here. Green. Correct. So I'm going to change the font to, this is the font I used. I use this American Captain font. If you really want to know how I kept my font, please comment in the comment section. I'm going to make a video about how to get good fonts and creative fonts for your design. So let's get creative. Now I made it bold. Just click on the check mark and then I increased it like this. Not too much. Creative. Okay, let's leave it now. That was a mistake. So let's get creative. Yeah, I think I will go to the spacing and bring it a bit closer to each other. Okay, 20 is perfect. I reduced it to -20. This is good for other text that I'm going to write in below and above it. So let's get creative. Now I selected a green color for this purpose. I'm going to come here now. I'll click this place, this particular place, so that I can highlight the pages. So I'm going to select let's get creative, and I'm going to select this shape, this particular shape that is here, and I'm going to merge the both of them. You merge them using this particular button here. Click on merge. So I'll merge both of them together. Press OK. So the both of them are one now. I can move them so that you can see, yes, they're the same now. So I'm going to come over here and lock it. So after locking it, make sure the page is selected. Sorry, the item is selected. Then I'll come over here. I'll come to erase color. Click on erase color. I turn it on. So, but I'm not going to leave it this way. I'm going to click on this eyedropper tool, this particular one. Then I'll click on it. I will select the one I want to erase, which is this green. Then I'll click on the check mark. Wow, did you just see that? Very, very, very creative. So that's a trick you can also adapt in Pixelab. Don't forget, the name of this app is Pixelab, making designs using just your mobile phone. So let's go to the next thing. I don't want to waste our time today, which is the text underneath. So I'm going to edit text, then I'm going to input the next text, which is tired of stiff and boring designs, we've got you covered. Just say what you want, we deliver in style. Okay, so this is the text. We're going to change the color to black. Yes, reduce it a bit and bring it right here. This was not the font I used, so I'm going to change the font. I think I used this font in my previous video, which is this cool vertical RG, this font right here. So I use this font a lot. I'm going to click on it and press OK. So I'm going to reduce the spacing a bit to minus 80s. Okay, so I'm going to bring it and keep it right here. I'm going to turn off this. I'm going to keep it here. Tired of stiff and boring designs? Yes. So I'm going to come here. I'll lock this text. Correct. So the design is taking its shape. So I'm also okay, let me unlock this. I'll copy this text again so that I can use the same font for my next article. So the next thing I put here was this stuff, which is home, about, contact, course, gallery, just to bring this website vibe on the design. Like I told you, being a graphic designer is about creativity, so every beginner learn to be creative in whatever you do. Yes, so home, about, sorry, let me bring it down a little bit. Home, about, contact, courses, gallery. Then I lock it. This is a very, very simple design. You don't have to waste your time. So the next thing I did was I imported another shape. Then shape is supposed to be here. Made the radius to be around this 13. Okay, let's make it 14. 14 is okay. Then I changed it to gradient. Yes, this was the gradient I used. This was the gradient I used. Exactly like this. So okay, let me know if I can see. This is the color code for the first color. You can copy the color code and try with it. This is the color code for the back color, so you can copy it and make use of it. And I press OK. So I'm going to reduce this, bring it down like this. I'll put it here. Okay, this is cool. Now I'll click on the check mark. So the next thing I did was to, let me lock this, import my social media icons. Yes, social media icon. So I imported WhatsApp. Let me just speed this up. I'm going to move this. So click on the check mark. Then I'll import again. Right here, which is this YouTube icon. Sorry. Okay, this is it. I'm going to put it under here. I think I'll reduce this a bit. Then I'm going to move it up. Okay, so this is it. Then the text, phone number, +234 903 648 9160. So this is actually my WhatsApp number. You can always use this number to get me. And please comment the country you're watching from. And if you are confused at any point, message me on my WhatsApp line. I'll add you to our Telegram channel where we make corrections on designs and teach you more and more on how to be a graphic designer and learn more using just your phone. All you need is just a mobile phone. So I think I'll change the font also to this cool vertical RG. Yes, that was what I used. And I'm also going to copy this, put it down here too, and release it to the 37 studios. So please, if this video was helpful, I'd like you to subscribe, like and share this video to someone who needs it. Please, it helps a lot with the algorithm. Yes, we are almost done. Just one more thing to put. Now I'm going to import my logo right here. Yes, which is the 37. Just add a little effect on the logo to make it brighter. I'm going to go to color filters, increase the saturation a bit, increase the brightness to 38 and contrast to 25. So this is it. This is exactly the design. I'm going to lock everything here, lock all. So this is it. Let's get creative. You can use this to impress your customers, your clients with just your phone. So learn more and more from this page. You can learn more and more from this page. Just like, subscribe and share this video. Please join our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. Join our Telegram channel where we do one design per day for beginners. Every beginner, all you need is consistency and then be persistent with what you do. So join our Telegram channel so that we can create something every day that is going to strengthen your design journey, and before you know it, in a matter of months, you're already a pro. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye.